Good day, everyone. I'm Dr. Regina. I'm a medical doctor that focuses on integrated healthcare throughout my practice. Today, I will talk about how dietary fibers can benefit our cardiovascular health. Taking good care of our hearts is very important because heart disease is the number one cause of death globally. It is estimated that heart diseases kill 17 million people worldwide every year, and it is expected to rise to 23 million by 2030. Since the 1970s, dietary fibers was thought to have protective effects for our hearts. Since then, the beneficial effects of fibers intakes has been extensively studied. Multiple studies indicate that people who consume 40 grams of fibers a day reduce their risk of dying from heart disease by as much as 26% when compared to people who do not consume much fiber. Although the effects of dietary fibers isn't completely understood, the studies have shown improvements in blood sugars level, cholesterol level, systemic inflammations, and blood pressure, which are the major risk factors for developing heart diseases. When fibers enters our guts, it absorbs water and expands. In the stomach, it slows down the movement of food from the stomach to the small intestines. This slows down the absorption of nutrition into the bloodstreams and avoids a sharp increase in blood sugars level. Large spikes of blood sugars are very bad for blood vessels as sugar is highly reactive. The chemical reactions between the high level of blood sugars with the lining of blood vessels causes injury that are the first steps towards developing arteriosclerosis, the hardening of the blood vessels. As mentioned earlier, the expansions of the fiber in the stomach causes distensions. These distensions reduce the hormones that makes people feel hungry. Together, the stomach distensions and the reduced hormones level make you feel full earlier and prevent you from overeating. This also avoids blood sugars level from rising too much. In the small intestines, fibers enables our gut to push and mix contents more efficiently. This helps the digestion and allows our guts to regulate the speed of nutrition absorption. Fibers tend to hold on to nutrition and release them over the entire length of intestines. These effects allow nutrition to be absorbed gradually and avoids overloadings and stressing our organs. Fiber intakes also improve cholesterol level. This is likely due to more bile acid eliminations and reduced cholesterol productions. Bile is made from cholesterol, and when it is eliminated with our feces, it is the main way cholesterol is removed from our body. Some studies also show that when fibers ferment in the large intestine, it produces short-chain fatty acids that reduce the production of cholesterol. Together, these effects ultimately lower down cholesterol level, which is one of the risk factors for developing heart disease. It has also been shown in studies that high fiber intakes reduce inflammatory markers. This means that people who consume a lot of fibers has lower level of systemic inflammations. It is likely that this is a result of better blood sugar control and improved gut health. Lower level of inflammations keep blood vessel plaque stable and less likely to break open. Unstable plaque forms blood clots that result in stroke and heart attacks. Lower level of inflammations also make us feel more energetic and alert. Interestingly, it has also been found that people who take plenty of fibers has lower blood pressure. Specifically, the diastolic blood pressure is lower. This is the second number in your blood pressure readings. Possibly, it is due to the reduced inflammation level that maintains healthier and more elastic blood vessels, which keep the blood pressure ideal. In summary, taking adequate amount of dietary fiber is very beneficial for heart health. Recent studies shows that taking adequate dietary fiber can reduce your risk of dying from heart diseases significantly. It is believed that Taking enough dietary fibers addresses many of the major risk factors for developing heart diseases. Therefore, this is why I recommend everyone to take sufficient dietary fibers every day for a healthier heart. Thank you.